Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS. Today I'm going to show you how to pair the Bluetooth in your BMW. First step you're going to want to do is make sure the Bluetooth is on your phone. You're going to go down here, hit the menu button on your iDrive. It's going to pull up this screen. You're going to want to go to Communication, Contacts. You're going to go Connect New Telephone, and that is going to allow you to pair. You're going to scroll down here, match the BMW 20896 with what you see there on the screen, so it does match. This is going to give you the option to pair it. Hit OK, and should pair just like that. Does show it's connected now. This will now give you the option to connect to Apple CarPlay or to not connect to Apple CarPlay, which I'm not going to do. And just like that, you have your phone paired with your BMW in literally 60 seconds. So hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel to show support. And if there's any other cars you want to see how to connect the Bluetooth on, drop me a comment down below and I will do that for you.